Hey guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. I'm so excited. I want to talk about this today, and then we're going to talk about this today, and then we're going to talk about this today, all on iOgrapher TV. So after tinkering for a long time, we finally found a solution that we really like for going out and shooting things in the sun. So we call it the iOgrapher Sun Kit, and it comes with 3 components. It comes with our iOgrapher Go components, the shoe adapter right here, and you'll see why in a moment. And it comes with this adapter here. It's kind of like a ball head, but it's made to hold this awesome little umbrella. Now I'm going to show you how to put it all together here, and then we're going to jump outside to test it out in the sun because, well, quite frankly, I'm superstitious and don't want to open the umbrella inside. Also, I mean, if you're out shooting in the sun, I don't know how many of you have experienced this, but I certainly have. If you're out there and the sun's hitting your iPad, it's eventually going to see something here that says it's overheated and it needs to turn off, which is horrible, especially if you're right in the middle of doing something. So what's nice about this is that it's going to fit on top of our shoes or even on the side here with another adapter, so you can angle it in any direction that you want. So this is the iOgrapher Go action camera shoe mount. And all you have to do is crank this baby open. And it comes with components for GoPros because actually it was an action camera mount. But it also has this little shoe adapter that you can see right here. And so we're just gonna open this up a little bit. And now this component here actually has a 1/4-20 on the bottom, but it's actually, the distance right here is too wide and it doesn't screw in very tight right here. So we're going to add the additional shoe here. Now, you could mount this onto a tripod if you wanted to, if you had or a light stand or something, if you had something additionally to have it off to the side to block at a different angle, etc. But certainly will work on top of your iOgrapher. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to go in and take this piece here, and we're just going to screw this together until it's nice and tight. And there you go. And now this part here, we're going to screw onto the iOgrapher case. So we're going to go like this and put it on very easily. And it's nice and tight now. And you can see that it's right there, fitting right there on top of that. So the next thing you want to do is grab your umbrella. And the umbrella actually slides through like this and tightens. And since this is a ball head right here, you can move this around and move this all over the place. And I'll have to take you outside right now and show you how we do all that so that I don't get all kinds of bad luck for years and years. All right, so we're outside now, and technically you're outside filming, you're shooting your son or daughter's game or practice, or you're the coach filming the practice. And after a while, the sun is going to make your iPad or iPhone really hot. Even if you have a case around it, it's hiding it, it's gonna get hot and overheated, and it's gonna have a little thing there that tells you we're gonna shut down now because it's overheating. And I can't tell you how many times people have asked us, how do we fix this? So as I showed you inside, we took all the pieces and put them together, and now I'm going to mount them. And you have different areas here that you can mount them on. You could also find an adapter to mount them on the sides if you wanted to. But I'm going to put it over here on the right side, and I'm going to tighten it. It's really simple. And there you go. We're all tightened up. And now I'm going to grab my umbrella, and it's going to go through the little hole here. And I'm just going to tighten that up. There we go. And now, because I have a ball head mount here, I can do stuff like this and tighten it. And then, there we go. Now you should be able to see the picture a lot better. It's keeping the sun off the iPad. And now if the sun's coming that way, I can angle it a little bit this way now and tighten it up, make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. And now the sun is being covered. And now you can see the whole iPad. We can see the screen now. We can see what we're filming. And it's just a much better workflow having a little bit of shade. Super compact. Now, one thing I would say, if you're filming out in windy areas, you might want to add a sandbag or something to kind of keep the tripod down and held to the ground, because you might get some gust of wind and might shake around and stuff like that. So keep that in consideration. Anyway, this is the iOgrapher Sun Kit. Get yours today.